Good morning. Today we'll be doing distributive property for whole numbers, and as the name suggests, distributive means you need to distribute. So here what we'll be doing, we'll be assuming any three numbers A, B and C. Let me assume those three numbers as 5, 3 and 2. Be any three whole numbers. Be any three whole numbers. Distributive property says if one of the number is multiplied by the sum of other two. Right? One more thing, distributive means to distribute this among these two, and this is the only property in which we are having two different operations, that is multiply and addition together. In no other property like commutative or associative we were having single operation when we were operating on single. Here we need to operate with both. Okay, so here we will be distributing this 5 among these two. This says that 5 into 3 and 5 into 2 should be same. This is what is given by distributive property, which we will be verifying. So what it says, if one of the number is multiplied by sum of other two, the first number outside the bracket will be multiplied by first, then the operation which is inside the bracket, and the outer number multiplied by the other number. It is valid for more numbers. If you are having two or more than two numbers inside the bracket, same thing will be applicable to all. Okay, so let's take left hand side first of all. It says 5 multiply, BODMAS says to add to solve the bracket first, so we will be adding 3 plus 2 is 5, which gives 25 as the answer. Here 5 3s are 15 plus 5 2s are 10. If you will add, you will get 25 as the answer. Can you see you are getting both as answer? So we can say distributive property is true for whole numbers. Is the thing clear? Let me take an example now how to apply this distributive property. One way is if you are giving three numbers and you need to apply like this, you can do by that. Another way, if suppose you are given 91 multiplied by 102, suppose. Okay, so you are given two numbers, but it's obviously it will be difficult to multiply and it will take time to solve it using multiplication. So we will be using distributive property. We will split any one of them in which we will see that it's easy for us to multiply, like 102 can easily be written as 100 plus 2, right? So I will be trying with that. You can do it by 100 minus 9 or 90 plus 1, but remember a digit 9 is there, so you need to multiply with 9. So it's always better in this case to split 102 into 102. Now use distributive properties which says 91 into 100 then plus 91 into 2, which will be 9100 plus 182, and you can add it easily. It will be 9282 is the answer. If you will multiply it directly, you will get the same answer, but obviously it will be time consuming and this method is time saving. I hope this is clear. One more thing, you can also take another example. It's not compulsory that it should be a addition sign only inside the bracket. There can be a subtraction sign also. Let me show it. For example, 71 into 99. Here I will split 99 as 100 minus 1. Okay. Now I'll use the distributive property again. Outer number into the first number inside the bracket, operation inside the bracket, then outer number into the second number, which will be 7100 minus 71, which will be 7029, which is your answer. This is how we use distributive property to solve the questions and to make our calculations easier and time saving. I hope it's clear to all of you. Please do share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.